34 million Americans lack access to internet. Satellite can connect them.
We are in Burton, Mississippi.
We are in a very remote place.
Very small town, close-knit, 45 minutes from everything.
In Mississippi, people living in rural communities have been left behind and struggle to connect, leaving them without the same educational and socioeconomic opportunities connectivity can bring. Less than 55% of people living in Northeast Mississippi have access to broadband.
Without the internet, you don't have any connection to the outside world.
Out here, it's just really hard to get a connection.
Even though we're 30 miles from town, any communication, any internet solution stops.
The only access that our daughter had to Wi-Fi was at school.
We want to get internet simply because we want to connect with the kids.
I would like to have internet because I would love to finish my degree. I would love to make a better life for us and the kids.
We would really love to have internet so that our kids could have the resources that the kids in the cities have.
Viasat is bringing high-speed satellite internet anywhere, including the hardest to reach places. With access to more spectrum, we can connect more Americans in Mississippi and nationwide.
Satellite internet is, for rural America, the only solution that we have.
There you are. Hey, I did it. I can go online and do all the stuff that I need to do with the outside world.
Now that I have internet at my house, I will be able to finish my business degree. I never expected to have internet this fast here.
If you've ever had children and you're separated from them, it's wonderful to reconnect with them like that. Be able to see them and talk to them, hear their, it's great.
Viasat is bridging the digital divide, state by state, empowering all to be a part of the digital community.